If you don't check in with them at all, to your point, they could forget about you, right? So if you call and just say, hey, I know, we're about halfway through. I just wanted to reach out to you, see if you had any questions, see how everything's going in your world. It could lead to them going, yeah, I do have some questions. What about some better products and blah, 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 blah. So I would try and keep that plain. It's on final approach. It's delayed 6 months, but I would just say, hey, I was thinking about you guys today. I'm excited. Go back to one line in your CRM, know where they're at right now, where they want to be, and maybe have a reference to why they want to get there. I'm excited to get you guys that $4,352 a month in fixed income from that annuity when we can move everything over, so you guys will be in a great place with the house there in Madison, Wisconsin. I am going to send you over the app right now again, just so you have that if you want to knock it out ahead of time, so it's one less thing you to worry about. Wanted to make sure you had that, and I'm on my direct line, 720-660-3202. That's going to come off as helpful, skillful on top of it, but what I don't want to do is have you interpret it as I'm weak, I think the deals could be in jeopardy, because that's going to spook them. And that sounds like this. Hey, Mark, it's Matt over here with Easton Financial Services. I know it's been a couple months. We were going to do that thing. Listen, man, I just want to check in with you, make sure everything's going great on your end. I know we're a little bit out here. If you have any questions or you need anything, I'm here for you, right? It just opens it up to doubt. I want to call them like this is happening. Because guess what? If it's not going to happen, they're going to let you know either way. So try that. And that's going to buy you once a month or once every 2 months, just making sure just wanted to make sure you had the app in case you want to kick this thing off early. So it's one less thing you have to worry about, and you can be, feeling comfortable that you'll have the assets available to keep the house in Madison in perpetuity. That's skillful and helpful. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.